aluminum foil with some small holes. Here is the setup. I use a small jar, 230 milliliters volume. Syringe 50 milliliters was not enough to produce vacuum. With this also did not work because I cannot overpressurize the jar. Lid lets air out, but got results with 100 milliliters syringe, which is used for veterinary purposes. To the lid of the jar we have copper pipe soldered in the hole and high voltage applied between cover and ground, and high voltage is sent from cheap DC-DC converter from AliExpress and is about 300 volts, and light source is the torch. Here is the copper pipe soldered to the lid. It was not necessary to use aluminum foil with perforated holes in front of source. For liquid I use isopropyl alcohol and put a couple of drops of it into the system. Too much is not good. A small jar. No high voltage, no tracks. Start seeing rainbow. Could not get it running with a small rubber ball. I was venting many times and now start to see tracks, so concentration was too high. Pumping many times to make equalization, then waiting 5 seconds and drawing quickly. Nothing. It's so complicated to get tracks. Don't try it at home. Try with Peltier. Trying to rub it with synthetic gloves to charge. Foam inside. Put copper coil on the metal cover because it's coated with plastic. When there is too much vapor, then there is too much fog and no tracks. I need to find optimal vapor concentration. It could be too much, so I let air in. Good. tear in. Yeah, very good tracks. Very good. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. 6 times. Let's vent one more time. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. No, it's too little maybe. There are no tracks. No tracks. Very narrow region in which there are tracks. We have pumped out too much vapor. In principle, vapor pressure should be by temperature controlled. We need to mix things to have much vapor in the air and let it settle down a little bit, and now pull, and we have tracks. Put the metal disc inside the jar. We have tracks, but the pass length is too short. Looking from above, looks great. Copper foil, it's an electrode for electrostatic collection. It's outside. There is a lot of alpha activity, and without this electrode, static charge builds up and smears the tracks, and no more tracks visible without electric field in a short time. This aluminum plate reduces the volume inside the jar and also distributes air more evenly.